In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chart layout and watch list to another TradingView. If you've spent time perfecting your chart with indicators, drawings, and settings, or you've curated a watch list you rely on, this quick process will help you duplicate both so they're ready to use wherever you sign in. Start by heading to tradingview.com. Make sure you're signed in so your changes saved to your profile. You'll see a symbol list on the right side of the page. Click any symbol from that list to load a chart. This just ensures you're on an active chart before we make the copies. Next, click Full Chart. This opens TradingView's full-featured charting interface, which is where your layouts and watch lists are managed. Give the chart a second to load all your indicators and drawings. Now look to the top right of the chart for the Manage Layout menu. It's a drop-down where all your saved layouts live. Open that menu and choose Make a Copy. TradingView will duplicate your current chart layout, including indicators, drawings, timeframes, colors, and most chart settings. Rename the copy to something clear like Layout, Copy, or the date so you can recognize it easily later. This protects your original while giving you a clean clone you can use on another device or workspace. With the layout copied, let's do the same for your symbols. At the top right, open the Watchlist drop-down. This is where your lists of tickers are managed. Click Make a Copy. TradingView creates a separate watch list that mirrors the exact tickers and their order. Again, give it a clear name so you can find it quickly. That's it for the actual copying. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. First, autosave usually keeps your latest changes, but after creating copies, it's smart to wait a moment for everything to sync. Second, check that your new layout appears in the Manage Layout menu and your new watch list appears in the watch list menu. You should see both listed alongside your originals. Finally, when you sign in on another browser or device, you'll find the copied layout in the same Manage Layout dropdown and the copied watch list in the watch list dropdown, ready to select and use without touching your originals. By copying both your chart layout and your watch list, you keep a safe backup and a portable version of your setup. It's simple, fast, and helps you stay consistent across any TradingView session you open.